Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Amali. In case you're new, thank you so much for coming. So guys, today I want to show you the typical morning routine of these kids. So in the morning, now they want to cook tea. Say many hi. Hi. Wow guys, you can see they're so excited. So they want to make tea, so they need to measure the water in this kettle. So this is how they are doing it. Then they will put in this furuya. So they want to cook. So you can see the older one is the one who's doing everything, because the younger one doesn't know. Their parents are not around, they have gone to work. So when they remain at home, they need to cook for themselves. So you can see, maybe someone can wonder this water is more. No, this water is not more, because they will eat it, they will bring it in the morning, then during the day. So she's washing the kettle. And the boy is making the firewood. The fire. That fire is a fire, so that they can take tea. So you can see they smoke, guys. Yeah, they smoke because of the firewood. So if it's your first time to come across my video, make sure that you have subscribed, share, so it can reach to many people. So this is the sieve, they need to put there everything. Yeah. So the next thing, they need to make cassava. We have our cassava. So guys, you can see this is cassava. We want to prepare the breakfast. Remember that this cassava, we are going to eat it until lunch time. Let's see, let me show you. This is our cassava. So this is how they are making it. And you can see the young boy there. She's preparing the tea. So the good thing of here in the village, people are not going to buy cassava or sweet potatoes in the market. We are just getting it in our own farm. So this is how we are doing. They are making it. They are removing the skin like this. So guys, this is like this. She need to cut it into small pieces like that, the way she's doing it. So guys, now we want to add our tea leaves to the water. You can see now it's ready. Then you can see the girl here is making cassava so that we can take it to tea, so that they are so that is tea leaves. So that's tea leaves. So you need to close the container so that someone can't pour down the tea leaves. So guys, this is our rabbit. It's rabbit, guys. So this is our rabbit, guys. So here in the village, people are rearing rabbits. Yeah. Okay. And so Omogo cassava. Guys, you can see the young girl. She's washing cassava so that they can cook. As you can see, in the village we are blessed with kids, a lot of kids. So when you want to do something, they are just helping you. So guys, you can see our tea. So now we want to add milk. See, this is our milk. So Gozola. Yeah. So guys, you can see kids here in the village. They're so hardworking. So they're cooking. So let's wait. Because you can see our tea is ready. So now we need to add their sugar. So we are measuring it, guys. once they